Hey guys, this is Fog Awesome, and today I'm going to be doing a video where I do tips and tricks to help you win every single Monopoly game. So these are tricks that I've learned throughout my days of Monopoly. I'm definitely not the best in the world, by no means, but these are little tricks that I've learned along the way, so if you're new to Monopoly, this video is for you. So let's get into it. So I want to start with the most important stuff first. Before I do that, so I've made a pile, the good properties, which consists of like the railroads, dark blues, light blues, pinkish, brown, and oranges. And I've made utilities its own pile because people have very mixed opinions on them, like it's Waterworks and Electric Company. People have mixed opinions on them, and the straight up bad ones, which consist of the greens, which some people like them, but it's just too expensive. Yellows, which I just don't like it anyway, and the reds, which I just don't like. So, yeah. The oranges are, in my opinion, the best properties, just because they're decent price. They're only 100 for each house, and they pay like a buttload of money. And anytime I've gotten them, I've won, basically. It's basically pay to win. Kind of. So I'd say those are best. I'm basically just going to go in order. So in my opinion, the light blues are definitely at the tip top, just because they're cheap to buy, pretty cheap to buy, 50 for each house, and with the hotel it pays $5.50. So that's actually like amazingly good. So I'll put that there. And it's got to go to the dark blues. I know they're expensive, 200 for each house, which is good. But just with one single house, it pays 200 every time you land on it. So it is like, what is it? It is 400 to buy a Boardwalk, 350 to buy Park Place. But in the end, Boardwalk with a hotel can pay 2,000, which is just amazing. So that goes there. I think it's a tie between the magentas and the these, because they may not pay a lot, but it's 50 for each house, and it's 60 and 40. So basically 100 to buy the full color set. And these, with a hotel, are 750, which are more than the blues. It's 100 for each house, so they're not as quite as good as the oranges, but they are still pretty decent. These are basically like in between the medium and the very high. That's where I would put them. And then we go on to the railroads. So the railroads basically borderline okay. If you get all of them, they're basically only good if you have 3 or 4. But if you do have 3 or 4, that's really good. So now we're getting on to the bad ones. Okay, in my opinion, all of these are tied. The red, yellow, and greens, they're just all tied. People have mixed opinions on the greens, but they're just all bad. Yeah, and these people have mixed opinions, so I just put them in the middle. So now we got all that out of the way. So what I recommend on pretty much all properties except the cheap houses ones, like Boardwalk and the greens if you have them, always just buy 3 houses, because 4 houses, if you buy that one more or the hotel, is just not worth it, because 3 houses is decently cheap and it gives you a good amount. So that's what I recommend. So I basically just got one of each $1 for no apparent reason, which is good. So 3 houses, that's what you want. So yeah. Basically the most important thing, I think, is not a lot of people know this, but the oranges are the best. They are definitely the best. Definitely the best. Because they pay, literally, New York pays $1,000 and it's so cheap. But if you have 3, it's $600. On New York, I recommend getting 4, to be honest. Just for all the people out there. Here's another tip. Endgame, if you get in jail, don't pay your way out, because you don't want to pay property. You just want to get money in jail. But early game, you definitely want to try to pay yourself out, because you need properties. Properties are key. I don't recommend doing the thing just like buy properties, whatever property you land on, you buy. Don't do that. Okay, I've made this rule and I've stuck with it since I started Monopoly. It is don't buy anything over 200 except Boardwalk. Just listen to that. Just try to do Monopoly with your friends and don't buy anything that's over 200 and just see how well you do. So yeah, those were my tips and tricks. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna bring back this old saying, just so you know. Bye!